I started shooting Sony 5 years ago, actually, when the first Sony A7 series came out. When you're going to very remote places, you're bringing your camera, battery stuff, you're bringing your gear, your water, your food, and I was looking for a lighter alternative to the larger digital SLRs that I was carrying at the time. This happened to be just a few months before Sony ended up announcing the first A7 generation. Once you actually get to the processing phase, that's where you really start to see the differences between the sensor technology out there. I had so much more image data to work with, which was really amazing that I just wasn't used to. I didn't realize what I was missing. It changed how I began to photograph out in the field because I knew that I had so much more image data to work with. These days, the Sony features that I use the most are probably still dynamic range, which I still love, advanced features such as eye autofocus. It's just amazing just how well it works. Like the success rate or the hit rate of what you can capture with essentially the eyes getting tack sharp every single time, even when people blink their eyes, close their eyes. Now with the new technology, it will actually track them when they're closed, allowing you to wait for that right moment where you again make eye contact with your subject, which is pretty awesome. And to me, that's kind of a big deal.